Hey, what's up guys, Syrious back, and today's video what we're going to be doing is finally putting in the last piston into the B18C hatch, well into the B18C block that's going into the EK hatch, and at that point we'll be ready to go ahead and finally starting to be able to complete the long block. So I'm really excited for this video. What it means is there's a lot of progress happening for the EK hatch, and it brings us one step closer to our goal of making it a EK hatch swap that is running on the road. Now the car is running on the road already. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, what we have is a EK hatch with the D16Y7 in it, and we're actually building this B18C1 to go ahead and put it inside of the EK hatch. Now it does have Type R pistons in it, and so that's what we're going to be installing into the block today. So pretty much it's going to be an OEM style build with Type R pistons inside of the B18C1 block. So stay tuned to the video. It might be a little quick one, but we also have some fun stuff that we're doing in the video as well. So there you guys. Alright, so now as you can see, I have the piston here. I'm going to go ahead and put on the piston rings, and then I'm going to go ahead at that point, go ahead and put in the bearings and the rods, and then we can go ahead and insert this bad boy. Alright guys, so I switched to the GoPro view. So I just want to show you guys what I've done so far. I went ahead and clocked the piston rings, make sure they're in the right place. The oil rings are good too now from what it seems. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and take the piston ring tool and go ahead and insert the piston inside of the block. So that's what we're going to do now. Go. One bearing in. Just a little dab will do ya. Okay, cool. Clicks right into place. You know, honestly, as many as you guys know, this is my first time doing this type of stuff, and I've learned a lot doing it, to be honest with you. You know, but everybody's got to start somewhere, right? So, appreciate everybody who's been along with me on this journey. Yes, I'm using my hand for this, but I just want to say thank you guys for everyone who watches my videos and who actually wants to see the process of this build, because I want to kind of see what I can build with my own two hands when it comes to the EK hatch. Instead of, you know, just buying like the Type R, which came from the factory already just ready to roll, you know. I got this whole project I got going on, and I'm really appreciative of it as well. So let's see what we can do. Okay, make sure the arrows are facing the right direction. Arrows are lined up. Now just gotta get a hammer and very gently knock it down in there. What did I do with my hammer? Probably should have got that before I started. I had a wooden one somewhere. At least I thought I did. I think I threw it away actually. That's okay, because at Syrious Media, we make shit work. Hey, she's going down. Wonder, do I have to tighten it down a little more? Let's find out. So I don't want to mess this up again. I think I can only hone this like so many times, you know? So let's see. But I'm trying to be as gentle as possible.
Moments later.
Alright, so I finished clocking all the piston rings, and I actually already have the piston already inside of the block. It took me a while because I was having troubles using this piston ring compressor, and it just wasn't going in. I was basically running into the same issue that I had last time. So what I did was, I was just like, forget it. I did some research online. They said one of the problems could possibly be my piston ring gapping. So I looked at it, and my piston ring gapping was just like terrible. It was actually really bad. I actually thought that these piston rings that I bought, I thought they came already pre-gapped, but I was wrong. They weren't pre-gapped at all. But for some reason, as soon as I gapped the piston rings and then tried to use the tool, everything went smooth. I actually got it in on my second try. So right now, the part that I'm on is basically just finishing up the rod. I've already oiled up the last part of the bearing, and so all I got to do now is put the rod on. We'll put the bolts on, I guess, and then tighten it down, torque it down to spec. And so after that, we will be good. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead, secure this rod, and then pick up on the video tomorrow. Because I've spent a good chunk of my time tonight actually trying to figure out why I couldn't get this last piston ring in. And the last thing I wanted to do was scar the cylinder, so I was being very cautious about it and everything of that nature. But I'm really happy that I figured it out finally. So with that being said though, that means that all these rings are most likely not gapped to size either. So I'm in the predicament now of, do I want to backtrack and redo everything? Or do I just want to go ahead and continue and take a little bit of blow by that I might get from not having these gapped properly? So that's just one of the predicaments that I'm in right now. Part of me is just saying, go ahead, take them out, do it right. And then there's a part of me that's like, full send it, build the engine, and blow them. No, I'm kidding. That's the last thing I wanted to do. But I'm pretty happy that I finally figured out the problem. It took me forever. As you guys know, I've been stuck on this part of the build for the past 4 months. And so now it's really good to finally see some progress. It's really, really good to finally see some progress. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. Go ahead and put this on, and then I will catch you guys in the morning.
The next morning.
All right, guys. So it's the next day. And well, I went ahead and I torqued down the 2 rods that are inside the block. So everything's good on that. The rotating assembly does rotate, so that's good. And another thing though, it's a little bit tight, I guess you can say, or it's a little bit rough. It's kind of hard to rotate. So I don't know if that means I should just go back and redo these last 3 piston rings, like actually gap them correctly. I don't know if that's the issue, or I don't know if I just need to let some oil sit in it and do its thing, because I haven't really like messed with this motor in like 3-4 months really. So I feel like that could also be the problem, because I just don't remember how smooth it was earlier. But you know what I mean? I'd rather pull all the pistons, do it right, and gap the rings instead of not having it right. So you know what I mean? Just do it right the first time, you don't have to worry about it. But after that, we can go ahead and get started working on the head. I don't know if I want to go ahead and take this to a machine shop, or if I should just like go ahead and build it. It's not in bad condition at all. The only thing we've really done to it is remove the paint that was on it. So yeah, other than that, there's not much really left. I mean, like, I have everything I need minus a few other things to go ahead and put the B18C1 inside of the EK. All I'm missing is the ECU and another part of the accessories for the block. I forgot what it is. I think it's a crank, some type of crank. I could be 100% wrong though, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, other than that, everything's going smooth. Oh yeah, wow, I just remembered something. So since I actually have it here, let me go ahead and grab this. So this PTP turbo blanket, I do not use it, right? I do not use it. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and give this away. We're gonna do a giveaway for the PTP turbo blanket, because I already have a not turbo blanket, inlet pipe blanket. Let me say that right. This is an inlet pipe blanket. So I already have a PTP turbo blanket, and you really shouldn't do both a turbo blanket and a inlet pipe blanket. So we're gonna go ahead and give that away. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a giveaway going for that pretty soon. And yeah, also we have some content coming for the Type R later this week. And yeah, trying to think what else that we've got going on in here since I'm already talking about it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, so check it out. We're making good progress on the B18C1. I'm really excited to get that into the EK hatch as soon as possible. Like I was saying, I have all the parts for it minus a few things, so the faster we can get that in, the better. Please let me know down in the comment section what I should do about the lack of rotation inside of my block. You guys give me some good hints. I really appreciate it. You guys always give me good hints, so yeah, I really do appreciate it when y'all do. Other than that, let's move on to the next. Alright guys, so normally I don't open these packs on YouTube, but I finally found the pack of Pokemon cards. I buy them every now and then. I bought them pretty much my whole life, every now and then, just off and on. But lately they've just been impossible to find. I don't know if there's like a new hype right now around Pokemon cards, but I figured I'd go ahead and open these ones on YouTube with you guys. So hopefully we can get something good. Hopefully we get a full holo or something. That would be really awesome. So let's go ahead and open this. This is the double V pack. I was at GameStop the other day, and I've been like, I always check the Pokemon cards whenever I go like Walmart, Target, or something. And these were the first set of Pokemon cards that I've seen in quite a bit of time. It's been at least a month since I've actually seen some Pokemon cards sitting in the store, and this was actually the last pack, so I was like, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy them. Maybe we'll get lucky and find something cool. I know in this pack they have some pretty cool full holos, and they even have Charizards in this, so hopefully we can get lucky. Which one are we gonna open first? We'll pick this one. Should decide one potion, and we got a Malamar, reverse holo Malamar, and we got a Wellord V full art. Rockruff. Ooh, reverse holo Milo. Nice. And a Grapploct. Full art Grapploct. Gotta fill him as a Charizard in this one. Swablu. Holographic Sonia. And a Lycanroc. Okay. Not a crazy pack, but hey, I'll take it. Last pack. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kakuna. They already had a Beedrill. Another Pokecenter lady. Oh no, this one's hollow though. And Marnie. So we got trainer card, Pokecenter lady, and trainer card Marnie. And so, with that being said guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, what are you doing? Like, comment, and subscribe. I need more of you guys to subscribe. I have like, I think it's like 92% of the people who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed. So imagine if we actually had those people aboard and like subscribed. You guys are continuously watching the videos. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. You guys would be helping me grow. And if you haven't already, go ahead and tell your friend about the channel. Tell a friend about the channel, not your friend. I don't know how many friends you have or not. But yeah, tell a friend about the channel. Yeah, I don't know. Other than that, appreciate you guys. If you haven't already as well, go to SeriousMedia.com. Check out the merch. We got face masks. We got a lot of face masks, actually. We're running out of t-shirts and we're running out of hoodies. So I need you guys to buy the face masks, buy the rest of the t-shirts, buy the rest of the hoodies. And then at that point, I can see about getting some more merch going. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the merch. Use code BATECHI for 10% off your order. Any order at SeriousMedia.com, and thank you guys so much. And also stay tuned for the inlet pipe blanket giveaway that I will be working on. So yeah, probably be in the next video actually. So yeah, if you haven't already, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye bye.